world of manufacturing, energy is a key resource. In the last 10 years, the cost of energy in the form of electricity has increased by over 15% and continues to trend upward. As it stands, manufacturing machines are inefficient in their energy consumption, making use of simple sub-machines like a conveyor belt to move material and parts in and out of the machine. When a manufacturing machine runs out of material or throws a fault code, the production of parts will temporarily stop, but the sub-machines that are not separately controlled will continue to run. MacLean-Fogg Component Solutions, the leading manufacturer of decorative capped wheel nuts, has worked with us to create a simulation tool for estimating the energy savings implementing a controller to these sub-machines would have. Our simulation seeks to calculate the excess energy consumed by not toggling off or idling these sub-machines during the times the main machine is on but no longer producing parts.
Hello, this is Nathan Hoffmann. When our solution program is run, by clicking the shortcut to an executable file here, a prompt is given to select non-PLC data folder as well as a PLC data file. Once these are both selected and opened, these buttons automatically generate. This overall data button shows the overall power consumption for a system over a given time. That is going to be compiled based on the data that we are given from other teams. The buttons on the left show the IP addresses of the individual PLCs, which are all presented in the same file. Once clicked, this pulls up another chart which shows the power used as the motors are right now, as well as the power used if the motors are turned on or off at specific intervals. For instance, clicking motor 1. Also, these buttons show the sub-motors or sub-machines of the PLC. You can see that the motor is turned off here, which shows a slight decrease in the amount of power used, which does carry over to the rest of the machine over time. Additionally, these other buttons show the other sub-motors and so on. The buttons on the right, in the right-hand column, are from a non-PLC team, and when clicked, they show a chart of the overall power consumption for each individual motor in that file. Additionally, and finally, we are required by several of the libraries that we use to display their license information, and so that button on the main screen does so in an easily accessible manner.